How to track DHL service order. So look guys, if you want to track your DHL service order or parcel, how you guys can do that? So the process was same for Android, iPhone, and PC or laptop. So I am using Android, so I will simply use Google Chrome. You guys can use any browser. So here I will simply search for DHL tracker. So once you search for that, so you guys will see first steps are DHL shipment tracking, also other 2-3 websites. But to find tracking your parcel, you will simply click on that first website. You need to make sure that website was legit. So after confirming there, simply click on that official website. Once you click here, wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see track shipment, also shipment number. So in shipment number, you need to simply write your shipment number. And after there's click on search. So once you click on search, your parcel will be tracked and you will see your parcel location. That's how you guys can track your parcel. Thanks for watching.